Pangarap ko talaga maka-experience ng snow and gusto ko talaga sa Shirakawa ko. Wow, ang specific. Kaya here's our full DIY travel guide if you plan to visit Shirakawa ko. From Nagoya, sumakay kami ng express train patungo sa Takayama. Other option is bus, affordable, and nasa 3 oras naman ng biyahe. After 2 hours of travel, we finally arrive at Takayama Station. From the station, tanaw na dito ang Nohi Bus Terminal. Dito ang sakayan patungo sa Shirakawa ko. From Takayama, nasa 1 oras naman ang travel time. I highly recommend starting your visit at Observatory Deck. There's a shuttle bus available for only 200 yen. Dito makikita ang overview ng Shirakawa ko Village. Masarap din dito magkape habang pinagmamasdan ng sobrang gandang view. From there, you can walk down and explore the town at your own pace. Based sa guide map, we could explore the whole village for 3 hours. Pero for us, na first time makakita ng snow, susulitin natin every moment.